Hey YouTube, this is Thor the Engine here with another fan. I got so many fans. I went to Fanimation in Indy this year and came back with a couple of goodies. We'll get to those videos here in a second. Videos of those fans here in a second. I also got that little guy right there. And right now we're doing this Hunter fan. This one when I got it, this was a free one I got. You can tell the blades are a little bit, need straightened up a little bit, but um, aside from this thing just being really dirty, it needed some some nuts tightened up and some bolts here, and the chuck on the blade. I fixed that, so now that this thing has been completely put back together because it was missing a few parts, and the blades were insanely out of balance, and I balanced them out perfectly. Now that yeah, you can see that the blades are not, something's different about the blades, and it's because the blade bracket got bent. The blade chuck got bent, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to straighten that out. But other than that, this thing runs phenomenally, and we shall turn it on. Yeah, here it don't rattle, it don't vibrate. Those blades, I don't know how, it was just a lucky thing, and I just was messing around with them, and I just must have did just the right thing, because those blades, they don't go like this when you see when you look at the side of them. They're just completely straight. And this thing is so balanced now, and it runs so smoothly, and I put more pitch on the blade so it's quiet and moves a fuck ton more air. But we'll let it oscillate now. Oh yeah. I'm not sure what year this is from, but I collect box fans. I'm a box fan, man. I love box fans. Oh, and I also got that 7-bladed wind machine over here. We're doing a video of that next. Okay, so we just turn the oscillate off. Whoever had this took good care of the motor, because the oil the motor up so good. Because the coast down on this thing is ridiculous. The coast down time on this thing is ridiculous. Well, there you go. There we have it.